guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrishti and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm doing this video which is makeup must-haves for beginners, or what makeup you should have if you are a beginner. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first item that you must have is a primer. A primer is really important for your skin as it will protect your skin from the makeup. Like maybe you get a reaction or you get pimples after you apply makeup. So a primer is a must. Also, a primer makes your makeup look smooth and spotless. So a primer is a key item in your makeup. So many companies, like many trustable companies, provide a huge range of primers, but there are a few I will recommend if you are a beginner. So the first one is the primer by Nykaa. It's really lightweight and it's really good for your skin and it's really reliable. So you should definitely opt for the primer by Nykaa. But personally, I use a moisturizer mixed with a sunscreen as my primer. So if you want to go with my way and you want to use a moisturizer with a sunscreen, so you have to choose a moisturizer according to your skin. If your skin is dry, you need to go for an oil-based moisturizer. But if your skin is oily like mine, you should opt for a gel-based moisturizer. So on my Instagram I have told you many times, but the moisturizer that I use is the baby cream baby lotion by Himalaya. It is a gel-based moisturizer and it suits my skin a lot. And I pair it with the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sunscreen, which is SPF 50. So this combination of primer helps my skin be healthier as well as protects me from the sun. What more do I need? So go for it if you. So the next item is a concealer. A concealer will help hide your wrinkles or your spots on your face or your pimples. So it is really optional. If you don't really like 2 or 3 layers of makeup on your face, you can avoid this step. But if you want to hide the patchiness on your skin, like the dark spots that come around your lips or on your eye, the pigmentation that comes around your lips and eyes, if you want to hide that, you will have to use a concealer. So the concealer which I use is this concealer by Maybelline Fit Me, and the shade that I use is Caramel. So I have been using this concealer for more than 2 years and I just suck it up. Like I don't even know where these go because I do my makeup on a daily basis, and this is one of the most essential items for my makeup. So you should have a concealer if you want to hide these pigmentation or pimples on your face. So you should go for a concealer and I recommend this one. Apart from this, I will also give an option of going for this LA Girl Pro HD concealer, which is also one of my favorites. So this one is my shade and this one is lighter than my shade. So I combine these two on my face and I really love how both of these go on my face. So this concealer, like this tube, I have been using for more than 6 months. So the quality and quantity is really good. So if you want to go for a concealer, you can opt from these. The next item is foundation. Now foundation plays a very important role on all of your face. If the shade of the foundation is wrong, you're gonna mess up your makeup really bad, or it can make your skin look white and patchy, or if it's darker it will make your face look dull. So you need to choose your foundation shade very carefully, and for that I will recommend you the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So this one is the matte poreless foundation. So this also Maybelline also provides another foundation which is a full coverage one, which is a lot heavier than this one and it will stay longer. But I use this one because it's really light and it's durable, and I can wear this foundation from morning to evening. It blends with my skin and it's very lightweight. So the good thing about this is it comes in 2 sizes. So if you want to try out which shade is correct for your skin, you can always opt for this mini foundation, this mini size one, because you can carry it with you anywhere, and it's very travel friendly, and also it will help you decide your shade. So you can go for this foundation. The next item that you must have in your beginner kit is powder. So you can either own a compact or you can own loose powder. So the powder which I use is this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. Now you all must be thinking I only use Maybelline stuff. Well, that is because the products from this company suits my skin a lot. That is the reason why I use this brand, because I have a problem with pigmentation and a lot of acne. I suffer from a lot of acne. So this brand really suits my skin and helps me control my acne, and it's very rare that I get an acne because of these makeup products. So that is the reason why I use them, and I have been using them for a while, and this brand is really reliable. Moving on, so this is the compact that I use, and it's in the shade light ivory. So it is really cute, and it fits in your palm, and you can see it has a mirror, and this is the shade, and this is what I'm wearing right now. So the use of this compact is this powder is to set your makeup. If you set your makeup with the powder, it helps your other makeup to blend in, and also it makes your makeup more stable and the makeup more durable. So the next item that you need is an eyeshadow palette, and trust me, it is the most important one. So I use my eyeshadow palettes for my contouring, for highlighting, for my eyeshadow and everything. So there are a lot of brands and eyeshadow palettes available online and on offline as well. So the question is which eyeshadow palette to choose. So the most basic one, which was my first eyeshadow palette, was this, the 24K Nudes palette from Maybelline. Looking at this palette, you can see this is a very nude makeup based eyeshadow palette. So instead of this, you can go for other shades. There are a lot more options, like 3 to 4 shades in this Maybelline palettes, and these cost around 900 rupees. So these are very durable and affordable. Apart from this one, I'm going to recommend you very similar palettes which are from Lakme, and you can use them. There are a lot of different shades available on those eyeshadow palettes. There's also one which is an investment, which I like personally, and that is the palette I can't live without, is this palette by Root, which is easily available on Nykaa. I'm gonna be linking all of these products down below in the description box, so go check it out. So this palette is my soul because I use it for everything. Even if I don't use it for my eyes, I always finish up by using this palette. You can see how much I've gone through this palette, and I've this shade is like this because I use it for my contouring. So I just love this one. So if you want to go for more colors and you want a more versatile palette, you can also go for this C'est Fantastique palette. This is French from Rude, and I really love this one, so I'm going to be linking this product down below. The next item that I recommend is a lip balm or a lipstick. So if you're a beginner and you want to try out shades which go on your skin, or you want to see use lipsticks which are cheap and not very pricey or costly, or the liquid ones, you can definitely go for the L18 lipsticks. These are really affordable and they come in so many different shades. I literally use them a lot and just go through them. So these are not very durable and they are transferable, like if you drink a cup of coffee and stuff, but these ones are really good for everyday use. And if you're going to college or school or something, you can also wear it to the office, and these will have a lot of subtle colors, so they provide a lot of shades and options for you to choose from. So these only cost 75 rupees and these are really good. So I will recommend these also as blush. So instead of going and wasting your money on blush, because they also cost a lot, and 3 shades or a single shade of blush is gonna cost you 400 to 500 rupees. So instead of that, go for these and it's gonna save you a lot of money. The next item I'm going to be recommending you is a highlighter. I know this is not necessary, so it's up to you if you want to add a highlighter to your beginner makeup kit. So this is the Halo liquid highlighter, which is from Wet n Wild, and this liquid highlighter is love because it's so powerful and it looks so pretty. You can see it on my face. All the makeup I'm showing you right now, I have used them on my face right now. So this highlighter is my favorite, but you can also go for powder highlighter. And for that, I'm going to be recommending you the Master Chrome highlighter, which is also from Maybelline. So you can go and check it out. The next item which will bind all of your makeup together is eyeliner. So we have a lot of different styles of eyeliner. We have sketch, like a pen like eyeliners, and we have liquid eyeliners, and we also have that Maybelline gel eyeliner. But instead of that, I'm going to be recommending this Lakme liquid eyeliner, Insta liner, which is really good because its brush is very thin, and once you start using this one, it's going to be love, because I have been using this eyeliner ever since I started doing my makeup, and I've relied on this one so much. This is a really good go-to eyeliner and I recommend this very much. So the next item that I'm going to be recommending, that I want you to have, is mascara. So instead of going for eyelash and eyelash glue and all that jhamela, I will recommend you going for a mascara. And L'Oreal, Maybelline and Lakme provide a lot of range of mascaras, but I'm going to be recommending the one which I use, which is the Hyper Curl mascara from Maybelline, and it's really good and it's really durable, and I think this will last you for a year or more than a year. So this mascara is really good. Mascara is going to make your eyes look brighter and bigger, so go for a mascara. It will change the way you look. The next item that you must have is an eyebrow pencil. So personally I use black eyeshadow with an angle brush to make my eyebrows, but there is a easier way, and which is an eyebrow pencil. So you can use this very cheap eyebrow pencil from Lakme, which is available everywhere. So it only costs 70 rupees and it's really good. So you can see it is sharpenable like a normal pencil, and you can just draw your eyebrows very easily. It's creamy and it's durable. You should go for this one. The last item that you must have in your makeup kit is a makeup remover. Without it, you are gonna suffer a lot of scrubbing and having your skin. The one which I'm going to be recommending you is this eye plus lip makeup remover from Maybelline, and it's good, and this is really cheap and nice and affordable, and you can easily use it. The other option I'm going to be giving you is the Garnier Micellar Water, which is really nice, and it has really great reviews, so you can use that instead of this Maybelline one. These were all the items that you need, or these are the items that you must own if you are starting your makeup and you are a beginner. Also, if you like this video, like, share and comment down below what more videos you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press that bell icon so you never miss a video from me. I'll be seeing you soon, and I hope you all are safe at home.